Hi, I'm Dan and Michael Engineering. This is our Goo Grinder. This machine is hand operated, running roller chain and sprockets to drive a set of gear pumps. The Goo Grinder is capable of dispensing 300 centipoise up to 50 centipoise, self-leveling two-part epoxies without abrasive fillers. This unit comes with either a manifold with static mixing tip or a set of ball valve shutoff so the operator can dispense into a cup and mix by hand. This simple, economical, and user-friendly gear pump is great for accurately metering epoxy resins and hardeners in a variety of different ratios. Give us a call today to hear how the Goo Grinder can make your job easier.
Simple, economical, dependable at michaelengineering.com. For all dispensing needs, you can contact us with speed at michaelengineering.com.